Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear students, page number 16 पर देखिए. Activity number 1 में tick the hot objects and cold objects cross. The picture, students, a glass of ice water. It is cold, so put a cross. A snowman is also called. Put a cross. The sun it is hot, so put a tick. A pot on fire, it is hot, so put a tick. An ice cream is cold, put a cross. A cup of tea, it is hot, put a tick. Students, अब हम करेंगे अपनी एक्टिविटी नंबर 2. Color the hot red and cold blue. Now students, take your crayons. We will color the hot things with red and the cold thing blue. Fire is red. Cup of tea red. Ice cube blue. Ice cream blue. Snowman blue. Say with me students, hot red and cold blue. Sun is hot. Ice is cold. Tea is hot. Ice cream is cold.